Hey everybody, my name is Marco Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can set up dark mode for Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor editor, and when you're here you want to click on this like the menu in the top left corner. When you're here you want to go to preferences and you're gonna see like UI theme here. Change the light to dark. And voila, this is it. Now the navigator and everything will be in the dark mode, and you can use it much more easier. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.